Everyone, it's Johnny from WP Johnny, and today I'm going to show you how to create custom archive pages or category pages or dynamic pages using the Gutenberg block editor. So if you haven't noticed, this is on a site with Gutenberg enabled. If I go and try to edit this category right here, it doesn't let me do anything. And if I view the category page on the front end, it's kind of designed however the theme set it up. So if you have a theme that allows you to do custom things, then you can mess with it. But if you don't have a theme that allows you to change the category page layout and design, then you have no choice but to do it a different way. There are many people out there who do it using a page builder, and as you already know, I don't like page builders. So people are curious if you can do it with Gutenberg, and the answer is yes. Although Gutenberg doesn't officially allow you to edit category pages, what you can do is use Gutenberg block plugins to add your posts or your custom post types dynamically into any page. So that would be like you could use any page to create a custom archive page or a custom category page. So these are the three plugins. I'm sure there are many more third-party ones, but I'm going to play with these three so that you can get a feel for how it would be done. There's WP Show Posts, Gutenberg Post Blocks, and Ultimate Add-ons for Gutenberg. They all, anyway, let's check them out and see what they can do. So first thing I'm going to do is just create a new page. And let's just call this, sorry, my computer runs a little slow always when I'm doing some recording. So here we go, and let's just call this one WP Show Posts. Okay, and here it will allow you show. I'm going to try to add that block. Whoops, doesn't even have it in here. So I'm going to go here, and I'm guessing that I have to create a new post list. Yep, there you go. So I'm going to call this Canyon category, right? We'll allow that many, and let's do 4 columns, and let's say yes for images and below title center. So you can see there's all kinds of options here you can choose. And here, more settings. I'm going to try to choose by a certain category type. And okay, to make this quick, I don't want to spend any of your time. So I'm just going to copy this shortcode right here. Since WP Show Post doesn't appear to have a Gutenberg block. Okay, well, we'll just use a shortcode form method, and we update it here, and then let's go check it out in the front end. And pretty cool, right? So it enabled all that. I'm not going to go through the settings, but you can see this is one way to do it. I do know WP Show Post, they have a pro version, and there's like fancier layouts, magazine, masonry, and all that, but we're just going to get rid of this. And let's try, it was called Gutenberg Post Blocks. That's the one that was called. And we're going to use, let's see, there you go. So post list 1, and it does it like that. And then here we can choose the different designs and layouts. So let's try to put it in, oh boy, okay, let's do it. 3 columns, this is pretty fun. And how about any advanced features? So you can mess with the margin and padding and all that. I'm not going to fiddle with any of these. We'll just leave it alone. And here you go, pagination, alignment, query, heading, image, content wrap, separator. Oh boy. I know there's so many really cool things you can do with this, but I'm not gonna spend too much time. And let's go ahead and reload this on the front end. And there you go. And I'm sure if I, make this mobile responsive, we'll be able to see it as well. Let's do mobile. Okay, so I don't want to do that on mobile. I want it to go to drop to just single columns. So where did I go for design? Oops, nope, sorry, I don't want to use the ready-made ones. Columns. Here we are. 1. And how about 1? And let's update and see what happens. Does it take? Well, okay. I don't want to spend too much time. Let's just move on to the next one. And we'll leave this alone. Let's delete this one, and let's use Ultimate add-ons for Gutenberg. And there are many of you who have been asking me about the masonry layout, and the answer is yes, it can do all that. Okay, and there you go. And I can change the design and styling, and if I go over here to the block options, there's going to be a million things. Let's have a little fun and let's jack up the number of columns, yeah? Something like that. Well, we didn't have that many posts anyway, so let's see. So as you can see, the answer is yes, it can do all this. You can build your own custom category page or archive page, and then you can, dynamically decide where to pull the posts from. So it could be custom post types, it could be posts, but have fun with it and see. Yeah, so right here I only have posts and pages. Maybe if I had reviews or other kinds of post types, I'm sure there are other plugins that will allow you to do like products and all that. But yes, you can do it. You can do anything. Gutenberg is very flexible and it's very powerful. Tons of third-party plugins. Have fun with it, and I'll see you on my next Gutenberg tutorial video.